mud protection. In the name of science.
Yeah, this guy doesn't like mud, so he's doing this all for you guys, because he does not like this.
It's a good point, actually, which is an interesting thing. Like, do we make mud flaps because I hate mud? Or do we make mud flaps because we love playing in the mud? Maybe it's a little bit of both. I don't know. Anyway, out here in the Mav R, we are testing our new knuckle-mounted flaps. Right there. Knuckle-mounted fenders with integrated mud flaps. However you want to say it. I don't know. I don't think we've come up with a full name yet. And then we got our trailing arm flaps too, which not really designed specifically for mud, although it does help. It does help keep mud from getting packed in the rim in the rear, so it is actually helpful that way. It's pretty useful for short course guys and stuff like that. And then our rear fenders too. Really helps mud from flying up, right, and then landing on your stuff. Like, we got a little bit, and if you're gonna go in the deep mud, like, you're getting muddy. So every little bit of protection you can get to help. So on the driver's side, you can see we don't have our additional fender extensions right here, and that's just to kind of showcase the difference of with or without. We do, obviously, the knuckle flaps block a ton of the mud that would normally have just flown straight up and into your face. You drive into it, right, into the cab. There is some on here still, you can see, but if any of you have played in the mud, especially thick mud like what's out here, like, you know, it's pretty gnarly. You can see this side of the car, the amount of mud that's on it. On the side here, right? You can see it in the trailing arm area versus what this guy caught. Like, you're still getting muddy. I mean, I don't know if you can see me. Here, hold this for a second, Hunter. Show, like, all of me. Like, I've got...
Like, he's not muddy.
I've got a couple...
inside with less mud protection, and he's, like, not muddy.
Not muddy. And then this side, you see... I mean, you can see where the line of mud that gets thrown is on the... So this side has our fender extensions. And then look at this side of the car. Like, dramatic difference. Even the trailing arm flap didn't get as much mud on it because the front flap caught a ton of it. Again, I'm not trying to say that these block everything, but hey, check out these new light bar brackets. Pretty sick, right? That's a 45-inch, I think, rigid. Not rigid, sorry guys. Baja Designs. I think throw some light too. This is some thick, goopy stuff right here. Blech. Now I'm gonna go spend the next 3 hours spraying this thing off. If you want some, hit us up, rokblokz.com.